The sun, our life-giving star. It lights up our days, powers our planet, and keeps our solar system in balance. But how much do you really know about it? Here are 7 mind-blowing facts about the sun that you probably never knew. Facts that will change the way you look at the giant ball of fire in the sky. Let's uncover the incredible secrets of our sun. Starting now. Fact number 1. The sun is actually white, not yellow. Contrary to what we see in movies or pictures, the sun isn't yellow. It's white. The light it emits is a perfect blend of all visible colors, forming white light. So, why does it look yellow from Earth? That's due to atmospheric scattering. The Earth's atmosphere scatters shorter wavelengths like blue and violet, leaving behind the longer wavelengths of yellow and red, which dominate our view. However, astronauts in space see the sun in its true color, pure white, making our perception on Earth a beautiful optical illusion. Fact number 2. The sun produces ghost particles. The sun isn't just light and heat, it's also a factory for neutrinos, nicknamed the ghost particles of the universe. These subatomic particles are nearly massless and pass through matter without interacting. Every second, trillions of neutrinos are produced in the sun's core during nuclear fusion and shoot out across the universe. What's mind-boggling? Billions of these particles are passing through your body right now, and you don't feel a thing. Studying neutrinos helps scientists unlock secrets about the sun's core and the universe itself. Fact number 3. The sun is a giant that controls the solar system. The sun's incredible mass, holding 99.86% of the solar system's total mass, makes it the powerhouse controlling everything. Its immense gravity is why planets like Earth orbit the sun and why comets and asteroids follow their paths. To imagine its size, think of this: 1.3 million Earths could fit inside the sun if packed tightly like marbles in a jar. Its size and gravitational pull are the reason life exists on Earth, as it keeps our planet in the perfect orbit for survival. Fact number 4. The sun flips its magnetic field every 11 years. The sun is a giant magnet and it doesn't stay constant. Every 11 years, it does something extraordinary. It flips its magnetic field, swapping the north and south poles. This event, known as the solar cycle, powers fascinating phenomena like sunspots, solar flares, and coronal mass ejections, CMEs. These can create beautiful auroras on Earth but also disrupt satellites, GPS, and even power grids. So, while it's mesmerizing, the sun's magnetic mischief can have a big impact on us. Fact number 5. Earth catches only a tiny fraction of the sun's energy. The sun is like a cosmic furnace. Earth catches just 0.000000045% of sun energy every second. Yet this tiny fraction is still mind-blowing. In just 1 hour, Earth receives enough solar energy to power the planet's needs for a whole year. If we could harness just 1 second of the sun's total energy output, it could power Earth for an astonishing 500,000 years. Fun fact, the sun loses 4 million tons of mass per second as it shines, slowly slimming down over billions of years. Fact number 6. The sun is halfway through its life. At 4.6 billion years old, the sun is considered a middle-aged star. It has another 5 billion years before it evolves into a red giant. When that happens, the sun will expand so much that its surface will reach and engulf Mercury, Venus, and possibly Earth. Temperatures will soar, boiling our oceans and ending all life. Eventually, the sun will shed its outer layers and shrink into a white dwarf, a faint remnant of its former glory. This dramatic transformation is part of a star's natural life cycle. Fact number 7. Without the sun, Earth would freeze in months. Imagine a world without the sun. Within 10 days, Earth's temperature would drop below -20 degrees Celsius or -4 degrees Fahrenheit. Without sunlight, photosynthesis would stop, killing plants and disrupting the food chain. By the end of the first month, Earth's surface would freeze and temperatures would plunge further, reaching a deadly -240 degrees Celsius or -400 degrees Fahrenheit. Oceans would freeze solid, though deep-sea life near geothermal vents might survive. Without the sun's energy, Earth would become a frozen, lifeless world, resembling icy planets or moons in the outer solar system. So the next time you look up at the sun, remember, it's not just a ball of fire, but a cosmic powerhouse with mysteries that shape our very existence. Keep looking up and let the sun continue to inspire awe and wonder.